Imagine you're a software engineer, sipping your morning coffee, opening your laptop, and your AI assistant has already finished the code before you even type a line. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new reality where AI doesn't just write code. It writes it faster, cleaner, and sometimes even better than humans. The programming world just got an upgrade and a panic attack at the same time. It all began decades ago, when computers were the size of a room and programmers were heroes armed with logic and coffee. They built the digital world line by line, function by function. And now, the same machines they programmed are learning to program themselves. Talk about poetic justice in binary form. At first, AI could barely autocomplete your sentence. Then came tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Replit Ghostwriter assistants that could generate functions, fix bugs, and even refactor entire systems. But in 2025, something wild happened. AI stopped assisting. It started creating. A normal developer takes hours to write a feature. AI does it in seconds. While humans argue about syntax errors, AI silently writes entire backends while drinking zero coffee. The new coders don't have hands. They have neural networks. OpenAI's Codex, DeepMind's AlphaCode, and Anthropic's Claude, these aren't sci-fi names. They're real AI systems writing thousands of lines of production-level code daily. They understand logic, read documentation, and even predict what developers need next. In 2025, during an online programming contest, AI coders defeated hundreds of professional engineers. They didn't blink. They didn't type wrong. They just calculated, adapted, and executed. It was the moment the coding world realized the machines had learned our language and they speak it fluently. Developers everywhere started asking one question: will AI take our jobs? And the answer is both scary and beautiful, because AI won't replace great developers. It will replace slow thinkers. Welcome to the new economy, where logic meets lightning speed. AI doesn't need coffee breaks. It doesn't forget semicolons. And it never argues about tabs versus spaces. Basically, AI is every project manager's dream employee and every coder's annoying coworker. Startups are saving millions by using AI-powered development tools. Why hire 10 engineers when one AI system can write, test, and deploy in a fraction of the time? This isn't just automation, it's acceleration. The coding industry just entered its Tesla moment. When you give AI a problem, it doesn't think like us. It searches billions of code patterns, identifies solutions, and instantly constructs logic trees faster than human neurons can blink. It's not guessing, it's pattern matching perfection. If humans are writers, AI is the entire library. But let's get real. AI can write code, but it doesn't understand purpose. Can build the bridge, but it doesn't know why we're crossing it. That's where humans come in. We're the storytellers, the visionaries, the architects of meaning. Developers of the future won't type code. They'll design logic and direct AI models. They'll focus on creativity, not syntax. The programmer is no longer the builder. He's the orchestrator of intelligence. Of course, AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it writes bugs so weird even Stack Overflow gives up. Once, an AI bot created an entire dating app that only matched people with itself. Even machines get lonely, apparently. big tech giants, Google, Amazon, Meta, they're all racing to create the ultimate coding model. Because whoever owns the best AI coder owns the next generation of software development. This isn't just a tech race, it's a code war. But the real winners, not the companies, the creators who adapt. Because the one who learns to speak the language of AI will control the next industrial revolution. And those who ignore it will be debugging forever. Can AI steal someone's code? Can it copy copyrighted logic? Who owns the product it builds, the developer or the algorithm? We're entering a new digital Wild West, and the law hasn't even logged in yet. Here's the twist: AI is now coding new AI systems. It's teaching itself faster architectures and optimizing its own models. That's right, the coder just became the creator of creators. We're officially in recursive intelligence. Smart business leaders aren't scared. They're investing. They're launching AI-powered dev companies, automating workflows, and turning code into capital. The ones who adapt won't lose jobs. They'll create industries. Every revolution replaces comfort with curiosity. Don't fear AI, train it, teach it, and use it to amplify your genius. Because the fastest coder is no longer human, but the most visionary still is. In the near future, coding won't be typing lines, it'll be talking to intelligence. You'll describe the app you want, and your AI partner will build it in minutes. From concept to code, instantly. That's not the end of programming. That's the beginning of imagination. The keyboard was humanity's first superpower. AI is the next. And together, we'll build things faster, smarter, and more beautifully than ever before. Because in the end, AI doesn't replace creativity, it accelerates it. So the next time you write a line of code, remember this: you're not just programming computers anymore, you're teaching the future how to think. Welcome to the age of AI coders. And share, comment, and subscribe for more AI videos. Thanks.